Hey guys, it's your girl Tanya M, aka Diablo Verde, and today we're actually going to be recording a video showing you how to dye your 613 synthetic wig. You'll need obviously a plastic bin so that you can put your wig in, a pot of boiling water. Be careful, be very careful. Your 613 synthetic wig. This is the sensational What Lace, part of their Cloud 9 collection. I'm using that 613 wig. If you want to see the original review, I will post it above as a card and in the description box also. And you will need, last but not least, the key ingredient, which is your RIT dye. So this is the RIT dye, more is for synthetic fibers. This is perfect for your synthetic wigs, and you will need to make sure that your wig is a 613 unit. So I got the color yellow. I was inspired because there was a wig called, I think it's Jocelyn by Sensational, but it was dark rooted, and I was like, I really want an all yellow synthetic wig, because y'all know I love my synthetic. So what I'm going to do is just, I bought 2 bottles, but I'm just going to pour in this whole bottle for this, okay? And you want to make sure like it swishes around and all that, and I don't have a spoon. But be careful so it doesn't splash anywhere. And you want to make sure the water is boiling hot, and then you want to dip your wig in, okay? So as you can see, it's already getting on the wig, and I'm going to let that like sit in there. I'm going to get a spoon and I'm going to stir it around. Okay, I'm going to try to hold the camera steady. I'm sorry guys, I don't have my tripod or anything. So I'm just pushing the wig down. I'm spreading the wig out, making sure every strand is hitting the wig. Every strand is hitting the water with the color. And before I turn the camera back on, I did lift it up and move it around. And I'm going to let this sit for like 15 minutes, okay? Trying to see here. Trying to see if it's taking. It doesn't seem to be taking that much on the wig. So, I'm going to let it sit for 15 more minutes. So guys, so I don't know why. You know why? It probably looks more yellow on camera because I have my saturation as far as like how the picture looks turned up, but it came out like this pale yellow color. It's not yellow enough in person, in my opinion. It just looks like, because before the wig was like a toned down 613, so now it just looks like a normal 613. So what I'm going to try to do, I have one more bottle of that same color. So what I'm going to try to do is go ahead and dip her again and see if like I can layer the color. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process, and I'll show y'all after. So guys, doing it a second time, dipping the hair a second time really helps. It came out super bright. I am so impressed. I'm so happy. I am actually going to I think I might try to blow dry her straight, just because I know the texture will change if I add a flat iron, and I don't know if the color is going to fade if I add a flat iron. So I actually am going to try to blow dry her straight. I'm not going to record that process. I already recorded a video on how I blow dry my synthetic units. I did it in the video where I showed y'all how I wash and revive my synthetic units. I will link that in the card above, and also I'll put a link in the description box so you'll know how I maintain my synthetic wigs and wear them over and over again and allow them to stretch for up to 3 years if you want, and longer if you want. So I will link that below and in the card above. And yeah, I will be right back. Okay guys, So I did do the second round of coloring for the synthetic wig, and let's just say, depending on the lighting, it could be yellow or blonde. So this is the wig, and I swear to God, on camera it looks so yellow, but in person I guess it could, I see yellow, depending on the lighting. Like seriously, with all, I have two soft boxes and a ring light, so with all of that, it looks really bright, like a really bright yellow. When it was in the room, my daughter was like, I asked her if she liked the wig. She was like, yeah, I like it. I said, what color you see? She said blonde. And I was like, what other color you see? And she was like, yellow. I said, it looked more blonde or yellow. She like, it looked more blonde. So it depends on the lighting what you want to get, honey. But I think, you know, what you seen on camera is dead ass what I see in person. What you see on camera is what I see in person. However, like I said, I'm in front of all this lighting, so you know. I'm gonna go ahead and take this unit off. If you're interested in this unit, this is also another slay your synthetic wig tutorials. Learn how to revamp your wigs by curling her with a flat iron. I will post the link above and also a link down in the description box. Okay guys, I'm back and I laid the baby hairs. Remember, this is the sensational wet lace, I think her name was Morgan, whatever. The link to the original video is down in the description box. I think she looked really yellow, but like I said, it depends on the lighting, and we shall see. Alright, so I did wash this wig and blow dried her straight. So the ends are a little scraggly. Like, you know how if you would blow dry a natural wig, like it's the end's not gonna be bone straight. So I'm just taking the flat iron and just it's only on 300, and I'm just running it through.
What up, homie?
Okay, that's all I'm gonna do to it, because this unit is fire and this hairline is phenomenal. Again, if you're looking for more tutorial videos on how to finesse your synthetic lace front wigs to make them look natural and real and dye them and whatnot, subscribe, sister. Like, you listen, this is it. This is the channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.